Hi, I'm showing you the broken Note 10 Plus, and I'm gonna show you how to replace the back of the glass. So here's the phone, and I'm heating off. So after I get heat, then I can separate the glass. Okay, now I'm trying to separate the glass. Be careful, don't cut your finger. It's very dangerous, right? There you go. This is how it looks like inside. Now you have to take up the camera lens. So when you take off the camera lens, then you can replace it with the new one, because the new one normally does not come with a camera lens like this. It's a little bit harder. Yeah, it's really hard. Okay, I'm gonna pause this video for a little bit. What? Alright, after replace the back cover,
Yes?
this is how it looks like.
You know the price?
Looks brand new again.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Yeah, the back, look at the back, it's very clean, shiny. But the front have a scratch, but it's okay. We don't want to fix the front, just the back. Thank you for watching. Bye.
You do it.